meal preppers. How you doing? Paul here, another episode of Let's Meal Prep. Another opportunity to empower you in the kitchen. Simple and healthy meals today. Actually pretty limited ingredients, but good stuff. We got some comfort food. Oh, we got some new stuff too. Comfort's good. Comfort food is good when it gets cold.
And it is 64 degrees outside.
64 degrees. But we're up and down here in Texas. It'll be 40 in the morning, 80 in the afternoon.
Yep.
We've got 3 amazing dishes. I love the colors this week. We're starting off with some good comfort food here, guys. Shepherd's pie, and just a little different take. We didn't put it in a pan and bake it. We actually just made the topping, or made the filling, and then mashed the potatoes, which are underneath, and just put the filling right on top. So just makes it just simply meat and veggies right here. We got carrots, peas, peas.
Yeah, he don't like peas. Onion.
An onion. A little bit of green pepper. I know that's not usual. I bought the green pepper and Amy told me, what are you doing? I was like, I don't know.
So we put it in there.
So we put it in there. Got some mushrooms in there too. And we used red potatoes on the bottom. I always love red potatoes. I just think they have a great distinct flavor compared to yellow or Yukon. I don't like Yukon potatoes. Right. But love those. It was always a treat when I was little. I felt like it was a treat when my mom came home with red potatoes. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know.
You must have been rich because my mama never came home with red potatoes.
I think it's just one thing you just got to try out. Yeah. Over here we got something new. I wanted some fish in this week. We've got some honey and garlic salmon bites, and I actually used the air fryer this week. Look how dark and charred those got. Beautiful. It's just 10 minutes at 400, and they're beautiful. I already ate a little piece of one. They're nice. So we put those over our jasmine rice, which is our favorite, and we roasted some broccoli. You know, roasted, steam it. Which one is your fave, guys? We love roasted.
Or do a different veggie if you are sick and tired of broccoli, dude.
I love broccoli.
It's good for you.
Making broccoli. And then over here, we got one of Amy's favorites, team. We got bison and shrimp dirty rice. And this is really good.
It's a healthier.
We had this every year, probably at least twice. And so we got that with dirty rice. It's brown rice, minute rice right there. And you just mix it all together. And then we served it up with some roasted green beans. Another simple one, topped it with some green onion. Another simple one here. You made this one. Anything else?
No, this is an easy one. It just starts with that simple trifecta: onions, bell pepper,
that's right,
and celery. You saute it, then you add your spices, and your rice is simmering with some spices in it, and then just keep adding ingredients in. The bison, and then the shrimp, and then the rice.
And then you just keep adding Tabasco on top of that.
Yes, you will.
This is going to be good eating this week. Looking forward to it. Hey, team, that's 12 meals we made, and this is stuff.
It's about an hour and a half. It was pretty fast.
Yeah. I mean, actually, the air fryer is just super quick. I mean, while the rice is going and the steam and the broccoli is roasting, you just get the air fryer going, and in 10 minutes, everything's like 10, 15 minutes. You're done.
So even if you didn't want to prep this ahead of time,
yeah,
this is a 15 to 20 minute dish at the most.
So, and then beyond that, guys, let us know the recipes you love. If you want us to try something out, make it a little healthier, simpler, put it in the recipe request in the app. All right, guys, have a great weekend and let us know what you love. Take care.